Hello people and welcome back to Core on DashCam channel, a channel in which we feature all the latest and craziest road moments caught on driver's dashcam, from close calls to road rage. All the clips featured in today's video are for educational purposes and hopefully you'll enjoy watching. So without any further ado, let's get this episode underway. Careless driver was driving in the wrong way in a one-way street, and the camera made him reverse all the way back from where he came from. Of course, something like this can only happen if you don't pay attention. Pay close attention at this driver here. He almost made a full turn to the right, but pulled back in the last possible moment. This can be extremely dangerous. One driver tried to overtake another vehicle in dense traffic. That was a reckless attempt, and it cost not only him, but other traffic participants as well. This is why we say that speeding gets you nowhere except in trouble.
So the Confederates, as I mentioned, dug these trenches and built up these earthen mounds that they could hide.
Oh my God! 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 Holy sh! Oh my God!
Some drivers will never learn their lesson until something bad happens. Here are some reckless drivers who push their luck for no reason. Pay close attention and avoid making these mistakes. There are drivers out there who don't pay attention at road markings, traffic signs, and traffic lights. Pay close attention at the mistakes these drivers make and try your best not to repeat them.
I see you. Slow down. Jesus. We're going fast. It's okay. Okay. Just don't pass in the no passing zone. Alrighty. Ready then?
Camera was passing by a scene of an accident. One driver was not careful enough and he caused a fender bender. Situations like this one happen when a driver doesn't keep a safe distance and uses their phone while driving.
A fender bender, a rear ender. Oh yeah. A fender bender, a rear ender. Oh yeah.
With this clip, we conclude another episode on Coron DashCam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something valuable out of all the mistakes. Make sure to leave a like, because that would help us out a lot. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content. Until the next episode, drive safe and eyes on the road.